god, okay. Adrian and Andrea are gonna come over right now, and then, like, we're gonna make a video. So, like, it's gonna be awesome, and then I'm gonna kill myself because it's awesome. I don't even know why I'm making this video because nobody's gonna see it, so... Except for Adrian and Andrea, because they're gonna be peeking through my camera. And I don't think I'm gonna go poop right now, so... I don't want to go right now until they come here, because, duh. They only have to finish, like, what? One freaking fork? And then they're gonna come over here, and then, like, yeah.